What's up, oh you crazy box breaking card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. Coming in at 11 p.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2011 Panini Gold Standard Football Break. Here's the roster for tonight. And here's the box for tonight. And this one is one pack with 12 cards, be 5 hits and 7 base, all of them numbered. Checklist, box bottom, pack for tonight. Good luck, everybody. Start bottom card first for the Panthers, Greg Olsen. That one's going to Jeremy. It's numbered 260 out of 299. For the Dolphins, Reggie Bush. That one's going to Pat. This one numbered 48 out of 299. For the Saints, rookie Johnny Patrick. That one also going to Pat. Number 234 out of 299. Legend for the 49ers, Joe Montana. Niners going to Alan M. And this one numbered 285 out of 299. Browns rookie, Owen Marisick. That one going to Jody. And this one numbered 13 out of 299. Bears, Jay Cutler. This one going to Pat. And it is numbered 8 out of 299. Gold leaf for rookie for the New England Patriots, Ryan Mallett. That one going to Jody. And it is number 216 out of 299. First hit is going to the Carolina Panthers, Cam Newton, rookie jersey patch. That one going to Jeremy. And this one numbered 187 out of 299. For the Kansas City Chiefs, 50th anniversary, Priest Holmes. That one going to Jeremy as well. This one a short print, numbered 77 out of 99. For the Jacksonville Jags, rookie quarterback, Blaine Gabbert. This one an on-card rookie auto, silver Sharpie. Looks like 2 colors, top left, a little bit of black stitching. Jags tonight going to Jaime R. And this one is numbered 58 out of 325. For the Indianapolis Colts, Anthony Costanzo. Colts also going to Jaime. And this one numbered 40 out of 499. And the last up for the Giants, we have a rookie auto for Darrell Scott. Giants going to Pat K. This one numbered 55 out of 499. Thanks everybody for getting in the break. We're sold out for the next one. Off for the weekend for football and back on it hot and heavy next week, all week. So take a look and get your spots. Night, everybody.